Thank you so much for having me here today. I'm very excited to speak with you about math expressions. So let's start with a little math. Here's the number 17. There's not much for students to know about 17, right? Kids either have 17 of something, 17 cool stickers, 17 pieces of Halloween candy left, or they don't. But just like all numbers, there's much more to 17. 17 is 5 cool stickers plus 12 more. 17 is 25 pieces of candy minus the 4 that someone had for dessert last night, and then the 4 that were secretly eaten before bedtime. So there's a big difference between knowing that 17 is a number and understanding what 17 really is. And that's what we're interested in, understanding the deeper level of knowing how numbers really work. Math expressions get students actively involved in getting to that understanding, so they'll have that depth of knowledge, the solid foundation they'll need for solving the types of math problems they'll see in just a few years. And I can't really talk about math expressions without talking about Dr. Karen Fuson, the sole author of the program. Her research is highly regarded in the field of elementary mathematics. She spearheaded the Children's Math World's Research Project, a 10-year study of how to effectively teach students math from an early age. The results from this research helped create math expressions. Her work articulates a strong focus on standards and a tight progression of learning through all mathematical strands, within and across grade levels. And all of the research that has gone into the program has certainly paid off. Math Expressions works. The program, based on work supported by grants from the National Science Foundation, was part of a large-scale study sponsored by the U.S. Department of Education to determine the effectiveness of elementary math curricula on student academic achievement. The results were crystal clear. Math expression students were performing at higher levels of math achievement when compared to students using similar programs. So yes, Math Expressions works. Let's see how.